Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I created this warm bronzy look. I curled up my hair and I thought to create a look that is very wearable and very easy to create. So I came up with this look. The bronze shimmery eyes complemented by nude lips, just mascara and little bit of highlighter at the right places. So let me show you now how I created this look. I have already moisturized my face and I'm proceeding with the Color Bar Primer to fill in my pores and give my face a smooth texture so the base goes on flawlessly, and I'm patting it into my skin. Next, taking my Maybelline Fit Me foundation and dotting it all over my face, and using my foundation brush I'm just spreading it evenly all over. I just like to make sure that everything is blended well and there are no harsh edges, and at the end I like to stipple all over to make sure there are no brush lines. Next I will be concealing and highlighting my face using my Wet n Wild Photo Finish Concealer, starting by blending the concealer on my chin and side of my lips, followed by my forehead, on the cupid's bow with whatsoever is on my brush, and at the end blending in my under eye area. I like the kind of coverage this gives to my under eyes and blends in so well. I'm taking some compact on a fluffy brush and patting it all over the areas where I applied my concealer so that it does not crease. Also, I'm holding the brush with least pressure while doing so. I did my brows off camera and I'll be starting with my eyes, taking the Nudes palette by Maybelline, putting this matte brown shade into my crease and blending it well. I'm putting the shade all over my crease and my lid and ensuring that the edges are blended really well. This eyeshadow palette is really great to create any kind of neutral or bronzy look. Taking a clean fluffy brush, I'm blending in the edges further. Next, I'm taking the shimmery shade and putting it all over my lid using my finger, because this kind of pigment tends to transfer better when applied with fingers. Next, I'm taking this golden shimmery shades and putting it onto my lids because I wanted a more warmth to my eyes, and I'm making sure that I blend it well. Now taking the first matte brown shade onto my lower lash line, followed by a very slight hint of black onto the outer corners. Next, I'm taking this shimmery light golden shade and highlighting my brow bone and my inner corners. I'm taking up some bronzer and putting it into the hollows of my cheeks to give my face slightly bronzed look and add a bit of warmth to my face. Also bronzing my huge forehead, just trying to make it look a bit smaller. Adding some blush onto the apples of my cheeks very slightly. Followed by my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, taking very little highlighter on my big fan brush and applying it on my cheekbones, making sure it's blended well and I'm polishing it well just above the arc of my eyebrows, on the tip of my nose and my cupid's bow. Using an eyelash curler to curl my lashes, as I won't be wearing any falsies, I want my eyelashes to stay up curled. And next I am coating them with my favorite mascara, really making sure that each lash is coated well in the mascara, and it really gives a nice volume and length to my lashes. You can clearly see the difference. And I'm finishing off the look using this gorgeous nude brown shade that I have been obsessed with recently. I'm only wearing this, like this is my go-to shade during this winter season, and that is my complete look. I hope you like how it turned out. I loved it. Just very wearable look for a Sunday brunch, sitting in the sun, soaking up the heat and glowing. Hit the thumbs up if you liked this look. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week. Bye.